Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eve. So as you can see, I have a new look. I have full bangs on. So if you are interested to learn how to do this, and if you wanted to do your own bangs, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to get a small section of your front hair and just evenly divide it by using a comb, and make sure also to include the side hair so that your bangs will not just be just in front of your face. So it's better that there are also side bangs. So if the line that you made is crooked, just like what I have done here, you just comb it and remove the excess hair and just put it back to the other side. Yeah, I've been cutting my own bangs ever since, because as you can see, I have a big forehead, so I really need to cover that up. So I've learned how to cut my own bangs maybe a few years back, because when I had it cut in the salon, I really didn't like it. That's why I retouched it and just learn how to do it on my own. Alright, so the second thing that you need to do is to twist your hair. So there are two purposes why I'm doing this. The first is to make sure that the hair will stay in place while you're cutting it, and secondly, so that both sides of your bangs are longer compared to the center. So at first, what you can do as a tip for beginners is to try it, maybe to cut your hair on the nose level instead of cutting it on the eyebrow level, because it's easier to redo it and cut it again if you think that it is still long enough, rather than trying to retouch it when it's too short, because it's really hard to retouch a bangs that is too short for your face. There, so as you can see, both sides of the bangs are longer compared to the center. So that is what we're trying to achieve. We don't want super duper straight bangs, because it won't really complement your face. So since I'm not yet satisfied with the length of my bangs, I will cut it 1 inch shorter this time around. So I'm just repeating the process of twisting the hair then cutting it. Look at my bangs. Look, I have a bangs. Jaran. I just have to comb it. Comb it. So this. There. Now I have bangs. So I'm just gonna put my favorite headband, of course. There. Or maybe I'll cut it shorter, but for now I'm happy with the results. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, and share this with your friends if you think this is something that you wanted to try. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So if you want to learn how to curl your hair without using the curling iron or without using heat, then click on this video that is showing on your screen, and I'll see you there.